Hi, this video is to lead you through the process of installing your Windows updates. To make sure your computer is running at the optimum level, we want to install our updates often. So the first step is to click your Start button in the lower left-hand corner. And then we're going to go to Settings. I've checked my computer for updates and I can tell they're ready to be installed because next to power it has that little dot. You can also see if your computer has updates to install in your taskbar if you have this little icon. So since my computer has installed them already, if you point to it, it says your device needs to restart to install updates, select a time to restart. So I can already tell my computer needs to have its updates installed. At any rate, Start, we're going to click the Settings button. And in the Windows settings, we're going to click Update and Security. So if there are any updates to install, they will be listed here. And you would just click update, or it'll say install. Since mine have already downloaded, mine is waiting for a restart. And I can tell it when I want to restart it. So you may want your students to set this time like during their lunchtime. So like, for example, if I know my lunch is at, let's say, 11:45 a.m. today, we can set that. Okay? And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.